Welcome to Google Spreadsheet. In this first tutorial of a three-part series, we're going to create a new spreadsheet and enter data. To do this, you need to log into your Google Drive. And as always, when you're ready to make a document, you need to click on Create. And in this case, we're going to choose Spreadsheet. So click on Create and choose Spreadsheet. By default, Google will name your sheet Untitled. So we are going to click on the name. And let's call this Class Enrollments and click OK. So now you have created a sheet and named a sheet in your Google Docs. The next thing we're going to do is add another worksheet, because often enough in a Google workbook you need several worksheets. So to add another worksheet, you click on Insert and choose New Sheet. So for this tutorial, we'll work with two worksheets. The second thing you want to do is you want to rename your sheets so you know what data is on them. So if you click on the word Sheet 1 at the bottom, let's rename Sheet 1. Click on Sheet 1 and choose Rename, and let's call Sheet 1 Carpentry. Click on Sheet 2 and call Sheet 2 Metals. Now click back on Sheet 1 Carpentry. Okay, so in this case, we're setting up a spreadsheet because we're going to compare enrollments of 3 different industrial arts classes at our school between 2011 and 2012. So to enter data, I'm going to go ahead and give you a scenario for entering data so that we can make charts with it in the next tutorial. So in this case, in cell B2, put 2011, and in cell B1, 2011, C2, C1, 2012, forgive me. Now in A2, we're going to compare Smith, and A3 to Marcos, A4 to Jones. And so now let's enter some data. So let's go ahead and put in the B2, 3, and 4, let's put in these numbers consecutively, 12, 8, and 18. And for 2012, let's put in these numbers, 8, 16, 4. Okay, we're not going to put any data in metals. We don't need to do that for now. So what you've done is you've entered data in cells A1 through C4. And in the next tutorial, we'll work with this data.